Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log into Udemy without getting asked for an OTP every time. Let's make it quick and easy. Step 1. Open your browser and go to udemy.com. Step 2. If you want to log in it without the OTP, don't log in your email address and password just like usual. Step 3. What is you need to do is just click the Google Sign logo so that you will be Google signed to udemy.com. Bonus tip, don't use incognito or private mode. Always log in from the same device and browser. Number 3, enable cookies and don't clear your browser history too often. And that's how you log into Udemy without getting an OTP every time. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful tutorial. See you next time!